Hello YouTube. Well, I'm out here. This is where I store my travel trailer, the 2016 Grey Wolf Limited 22RR. Just going to show you around a bit, and we're going to go over some modifications I've done. We're about at the 2-year mark, and she's still holding up pretty good. Let's see, the first modification I want to show you is the spare wheel holder. I bought a mount on the internet, and I don't know off the top of my head the source. I'll have to get that later if anybody wants that. But this swings down out the way and allows the ramp to go down. This is one of the first modifications I've done to the trailer, besides the stickers that you see on the back. There we go. The latest modification is probably this bracket. This is a steel plate that I mount my rear view camera on. The trailer did come pre-wired for a rear camera, but the camera is very expensive, and I found one at Costco. I think it was $150. I bought that, and it works out pretty good. Alright, let's go inside. Let's see the modifications I've done in here. Everything is basically stock, except for these. I don't know if you can see it, it's too dark. There's two hooks that I mounted on the side of this shelving. We hang our motorcycle jackets on there and other things. I also installed this key holder, and we keep all our keys there in one place. Hopefully they won't get lost if we remember to hang it up right there. Let's see. The latest contraption that I purchased in support of this travel trailer is this Harbor Freight 100-watt solar kit. And we went out a couple weeks ago, and I got to try it out for the first time, and so far so good. I like what it did. I'm still early in the solar, and sort of in experimental mode, but what we was able to do with it 2 weeks ago at the Malaquite campground, which is sort of like boondocking. There are no connections, no sewer, electric, or water. It worked out great. I also bought this extra battery in support of the solar. Get a close-up of it. I'll probably make a video and go in depth with the solar aspect of camping a little bit later. As well as the solar, of course, I had to buy an inverter, and this is the inverter that I decided to buy. It's 400 watts continuous, 800 I guess 800's what's the wording they use, peak. So I guess it can handle 800 watts on a startup, but it's rated for 400 watts of continuous power. And we used that, and that worked out pretty good. Another piece of equipment that we bought was this cable connection kit. This was like $10, and I tell you what, I wouldn't get the Harbor Freight solar kit without this. This comes in handy. You can see what it comes with from the pictures. The pantry is not lit, so I use this puck light as lighting. This is the bathroom right here. Another modification is this shelf that I mounted on top just for an extra shelf. Excuse the mess, folks. Let's see. Oh, here we go. I just replaced this. The other one lasted maybe 3 years. I bought this at Walmart for $10. It gives you the outdoor temperature and the indoor temperature right here. The remote is under the stairs mounted on the frame of the trailer. Alright, this is the bedroom area. Of course, this is the bedroom TV. This is stock. It comes with the mount. If you can see the mount right there. All the mounts are the same. There's one in the garage, this one, and the one outside is all the same. So you can move TVs around. There's the connections. Alright, to the next modification. You notice that these cabinets, the door swings up. And the modification is this hydraulic lift. If you wouldn't have that, you would have to hold the door open and get your things, and this way with the hydraulic lifts you don't have to hold them up, they hold them up for you. There you go, one on each side. And that was a must mod. It just took me a while to get to it. This I did last week. I replaced the standard light with an LED light. What I liked about this was the ability to turn on both sides or the individual sides. They have individual buttons for each side. And I don't have the battery hooked up or I show you, but it is super bright. And it being LED, it will use less power. I have replaced all my standard bulbs with LED bulbs. I will show you right there. Originally I got first set of LED bulbs were a warm white light, and it wasn't really bright. I just replaced them with a cool white light, and they put out a lot brighter and cleaner light than the warm light. So when you're buying LED lights, pay attention to the what you want as far as, do you want a warm light or do you want a what they call a cool trailer. Purchase this. This is something I bought at the 5 and Below store. It's a plug that you just plug into your outlet, and it provides you a plug and 2 USB outlets that is come in handy. And that's about it. I cannot think of anything else that I've done to this trailer other than stock. We've had this radio replaced under warranty. So this is the second radio. This is I read on the internet they've been having a lot of trouble with these units, but this one seems to be holding up. And as far as features and all that's concerned, it's all you need for an RV. I mean, you can play DVDs on it, USB, it's got Bluetooth connectivity, and it's all wired in the trailer. So you can play your DVD, and you can see the RCA jacks that you can plug into the back of your TV, and you can watch a DVD on your TV here and play it on your unit over here. Sorry about the wild swing, but oh, how could I forget this? You probably saw it and said, hey, what's up with that? Well, we did install this Backsplash. Some of these modifications, you'll notice that they are incorporating into the newer models, the 2017s and 18s. I know the 2017s and 18s have a Backsplash as a part of the deal. And they also put a skylight, I think it's right about here, with a cover that you can block light. The cover is the same material as the shades, like that. So that's about it.